Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add additional effects to your gourd in Wukong the Black Myth. First, go to your nearest shrine. After meeting the merchant that allows you to upgrade your gourd. Right here you will be able to brew your gourd. As you can see, I have two soaks, which are the effects that I can use. I have an effect with the celestial lotus seeds that give me a bit of health recovery after drinking from my gourd, and I have a gold gem that increases my poison resistance for a short duration after drinking my gourd. You can choose whichever effect you like, and that effect will be applied upon consuming your gourd, your healing item. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.